Hello again, I am Triptan here with 7 Quantum Academy and with another mysterious episode in this video as we had been doing from the earlier videos with it. Today our topic is mathematical physics. That means, is there any requirement of adding mathematics to physics? What actually mathematics is? Why do we need to relate the mathematics and physics? These are many questions are related to each other. But we have to understand what actually mathematical physics is. Otherwise, we cannot find any physical event or any physical happenings to explain in our own way to understand deeply what actually going on. To narrate you, I would like to say you that what actually mathematics is. Mathematics is, number one, it is a running commentary of an event. It is a running commentary of a physical event. Number two, it is a forecaster. It is a forecaster. And number three, it is a tool of computation and measurement. So, physics always require it. I will try to explain you how is it a running commentary of an event. Running commentary of an event means an event is going on and you are giving a commentary behind it. Perhaps you have learned it or you have heard it in television when cricket match or basketball match or football match is going on there. In background you have seen the running commentary. So this running commentary is being done by the mathematics for a particular physical event. And this particular physical event is getting this running commentary. That is one type of language of that event. We cannot express with this event with all our 5 traditional sense organs. So now the question is, let us come to a formula from the classical physics, that is E equal to mc square. If you observe that E equal to mc square, the famous formula, that means energy equal to mass multiplied by the square of the speed of light. So energy mass converts into entirely into energy when it runs with the speed of light. Though quantum physics said there are also speeds higher than light, that is something different and I will discuss it later in my next video. Now, just getting this formula, if you have any acquaintance with these letters used here or symbols used here, and you don't know about what is energy, what is the new formula has, what is the new event has taken place. So, you will think that energy equal to mass multiplied by the square of light here. That means when a mass is going with the speed of light square, it has been said, that means a two-dimensional plane is going, that means it's a linear speed. Then it is equal to energy. That means it will be converted into energy. That means from these symbols you have got the idea, this one. But it will be much more clearer if go with the quantum physics. In earlier video, I told you about the field operator. This field operator is very important factor to govern our universe, beyond our universe, and all the quantum physics. Just look what actually field operator is. Suppose you know everything regarding quantum physics, all the symbols, all the letters used, all the number used, everything. And if you have been given the field operator equation there, but suppose that in such a time when this field operator has not been discovered, only discovered and you have been given the formula. Then, by not reading anything, but not listening anything, but not getting information about anything regarding the discovery, only you have been given this formula, then you will detect the event what is going on, because it is the running commentary. What is going to be the commentary there? Don't start from the first of the equation that is written there. Come from the inner side. First you see there is written small a underscore k. You will understand it is telling about the about the annihilation operator. So annihilation operator, something is being annihilated. So this operator has been used. Then you will see that there is an exponential, a underscore e exponential. That means this annihilation going with an exponential speed. Some event where annihilation or vanishing is going to exponential speed. And there is also a first bracket. And between these there is one minus I, that is a complex number. This complex number, oh my god, that means it is also forecast. This complex number is forecast, that what we cannot observe with our 5 traditional sense organs, or what we cannot measure or observe with our higher and higher developed device. This complex number tells something where that is happening something. So the annihilation is happening something with the exponential speed in some places. These places may be in our dimension, may not be in our dimension. And k, so the momentum is also here. So it is proved, that is, the annihilation process is going with the speed of exponential speed in somewhere we cannot find out, and with a momentum. And there is also x, that in the minus in the bracket there is minus I k x. X is the dimension, so dimension may also change. So something is going for annihilation with the exponential speed, with a momentum also in any dimension that is unknown, that is 4th dimension, 5th dimension, or something dimension. This only factor is telling you the total event. You did not know what has been discovered. You only know the symbol and you only know the meaning of the letters there, why these are used. But from this mathematical representation, you just can imagine the event, what is going on, what is going on, what is going on. And this I is the forecast, mathematics forecast with the complex number. Because you don't know something, you cannot catch anything with the traditional number system. So this is forecasting something that it will happen. What will happen? Just look inside the formula. After this a underscore k exponential in the bracket minus I k x, there is bracket closed, and there is a plus sign. That means something is being added here. What is being added? There is a underscore kt is being added. This is the creation operator. So after annihilation it is also being created. Yeah? And in the same way, that is, there is also an exponential, there is also a bracket hat on exponential, and in this bracket there is also I k x, but in this time this is plus I k x because it is creation.